Just figured to show you what we got done, which ain't a whole lot. Guys, don't get mad at me. Reese? What you doing, puppy? I didn't even know you was out here. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You hiding? Huh? Alright. You want to show them what we did? Huh? Alright. Well, me and the boys got the tailgate out the other day. I never recorded it. I didn't know we was actually going to take it out until we got it out. We was kind of just brainstorming. Me and my oldest son just kind of got at it and got it out. As you can see, the window is broke in it. Track's messed up. Got a couple other things that's wrong with it. I got a spare one in the back. It's off an older one, but all the internal stuff's the same. We're going to fix the door handle, latches. We're going to put the window in it. Might actually tint it before we put it in there. I think it'd be easier to tint that window with it out. Got a couple of them. So if I break one, I got another one. But yeah. So we're going to finish this tailgate. Show you the parts one. It's back here. It's right there laying. There are a couple windows there laying. I'm going to take parts off that tailgate to fix the original tailgate. And then got the tail pan in the rear to do yet. Got my oldest boy in there to help me get the tailgate and windows out. We're going to start stripping that out and fix another tailgate. We just got to be careful though. I can reach this if you walk back around. Lay that strap in the corner and walk this way. Don't step on the window. Hardboard's the window. You gotta pick it up in the middle. Out in the middle. Don't drop it. I can get it out to here. You walk around and come behind me and grab the corner of it. We'll lay that on top of the hood. Let it fall. Huh? Yeah, I think it's going to come out this way. I'll have to bump her right there. Yeah, go down there and grab, and I'll grab here.
That hurt my ears.
Sorry, pick up. Parts off of it.
Why not just leave it? Get parts off of it.
Once I get parts off of it, I'm going to put it under the house. So it's out of the way. Not today, but.
What is that?
What?
Little holes. Bunch of little holes.
That?
Yeah.
That's to unlock.
No, like the holes. Just little holes.
Oh, I can't see it.
Like beauties.
We gotta come this way with it. Look. Grab there. We'll walk it right out the door. And then you'll have to walk around like you did earlier.
Well, wait. Stepping on everything.
Don't bust it. Pick it up, walk around it. Whatever you're. No, go that way. Right towards the door. In front of it. Pick up. You gotta pick up. Don't drag it on the seat.
Oh, wait. I'm gonna go around.
lately. I had to work on my daily driver and a few other things. Got the tailgate off, me and my boys. But I really can't, I don't got a very big garage. Really can't do the rust repair that I need to without this thing movable, so I can pull it in and have the door open and work on the rust. So I got a couple things I got to zip tie and a couple small things I got to take care of under the hood. And we're going to take this off, the cow. We're going to go ahead and clean it out, put it back on, and go ahead and put the hood back on this. The last little bit of stuff I got to do to the radiator and put a 13 belt on, I can do all that with the hood on. Just want to get all the rest of this little wiring tidied up. And then we'll get the hood on it. I'll have the boys come out and help me get it on there and bolt it back. And then I need to take the two tailgates and set them on top so I can make a little room in here. And then we'll start working on the inside panels and getting all that taken out and cleaned and a lot of it put back. And then to get this thing going, I gotta have a drive shaft made. So I'm gonna take it this week and have it done. I gotta do some measuring. Go ahead and have the drive shaft made. And while I'm waiting on that, we're gonna start on the exhaust and go ahead and get the exhaust done. And then we'll get the drive shaft in when it shows up. And if I don't get the drive shaft before we're done with the exhaust, we'll start going on the lowering side of it. We'll get the rear lowered and then cut a coil and a half to match the rear to the front. But I might have to wait on cutting the front because we won't have all the weight. We won't have all the body weight on the back with the tailgate being off of it. That way we can get the same setting nice and low. Not real low, but nice and even. But just gonna do some tidy up. Take the cowl off and see what's down in there. I can already see maybe 2 or 3 bullets right there laying. So let me get this put up. We'll start taking that off. Say we're going to break out the old Stanley shop vac, 10,000, whatever you want to call it. And we're going to suck a lot of trash out of here. I already got that feeling. Got that feeling. Feeling. My bad. I haven't been feeling too good the last few days. Finally just started feeling good. Nice to let it out a little bit, you know what I mean? See if the big old black mamba's under here hiding. See nothing yet. Juicy bullets. Already. Show you guys here. Guys, I don't make this up. Look at this. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 shells right there. One's a practice. 2 of them is practice shells. But yeah, fun. Let's see what we got underneath that. We'll get all them together up out of there. We'll break out the Stanley. Add to the coffee can. Add to the coffee can. Alrighty then. See what we can get on the other side, and we'll pop that plastic cover off. Oh, Stanley, now, come on. Messing up the camera. Get me on that now. Easy, Stan, easy, Stan. Now, come on. Act your age. Oh yeah. Get a couple things here. Get all ready and get in there real deep like. Get that rat nest out. Alright, let's dig her out with a big screwdriver. Right here is why old oh, Daddy. Right here's why the wipers will make all kinds of noise. Oh, oh. I don't know. Right been told. No, never I've been told me all down and home, yeah. I don't know. We always been home. Yeah. famous mouse shit. Give you wings, yeah. There's another one. That's the one that got caught up in the wipers. Look at that. That was the wipers dealio. Alright. Now. Trip it. Just taking the fuel pump relay out. So when I go to tank in, I don't want the fuel pump to turn on my turn switch on. So oh, easy that there. Looky there. Hi. Get you guys in here a little bit. See what's going on. It's high, medium, low, as you go. Oh. And off. Then you got of course. Now let's just gradually set her all back on there. I'll screw it all down because I'll put it all in the tray. I'm going to, once it's warmer out, I'll go down here with the water hose and get a little bit cleaned out. So I'm not going to bolting on it down, just going to lay it all back on there so we can get the hood on. Making room, boys, making room. So, take all the bolts. Now we know under there is clean. The other place we got to clean now is the ductwork. Take the heater mirror out, clean it out. But, I'm going to wait till I can move this in and out because I have a feeling there's going to be a big mess in there. I just got that feeling. Yep. Oh, no shell. Like I said before, guys, I got a mess. I don't got much room. So I gotta do stuff in steps and move stuff. So once I put this back on, we're gonna take the hood off the roof, put the hood on, and then we're gonna set this tailgate on top and the spare tailgate on top. We're gonna lay the rear bumper under it. So we can get the back completely done and ready for metal work. And then exhaust, drive shaft. That way I can pull it in and out. This needs pulled in for me to do the metal work on the back. That's what I'm getting at. I'm going to take this old CB antenna off if I can. I don't know. It looks kind of weird. Again, I might just turn it right off. Maybe. not putting the antenna back on this, except I hate they drilled a hole in this because I don't want to replace this and not match the rest of the truck. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put a black plug over this hole. Well, it's all back on here. Before I get too carried away, we'll lube this hinge a little bit. With what I got, which is the MTV blaster. I don't know about you guys, but I'll tell you what. I wish I could talk to them when they made this damn can. These straws work good on other stuff, but not PB Blaster. These things are a joke. They stick, they leak. Sometimes you get I got several of these brand new off the shelf, had to return because I went to use them. There's liquid in it, but no aerosol. Nothing to pressurize it to make it shoot out. And this one, look, I'm barely touching this. This, look, barely coming out, and it's all the way up. I don't know what or who came up with this idea, which works. I ain't saying it don't work, it works. The straw idea is a pretty cool idea, but they didn't perfect it very good. Let's just say that. That's just me. Just me saying that. Everyone has their own opinion. It's kind of hard to see. All the wiring's done except for gauges. That's all it's over there. The fan stuff's done. It's got to plug them in, coat them. But all the wiring side of it is done under the hood. So we got cold air intake to hook up, serpentine belt. I might put 2 IR pulleys on there just to have it done. And then plug in the fan and gauges. So, and inside we have just USB wire and gauges. I mean, we're about ready. I'm just saying we're about ready. So, as long as all the stuff mechanically works, transmission. We already know the motor sounds great. I know the transmission was good, but I got to change all the fluid and stuff in it, whatnot. We still got to hook up the linkage on it. Still debating. Maybe you guys can tell me what you think. I don't know if you can see it in there. The old steering shifter. I don't know if I want to use that or not. Thought about putting one on the floor. Put one right on the floor and kind of make it look like a manual. I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking on it too hard. Maybe I'll just cut the rubber off the end of that column shifter and put something funky on the end of it. You got a camshaft over there. Maybe I'll cut 2 lobes off an old camshaft and thread it on the end of that. Make it look cool. Yep.
I can touch it.
Front and back, pick up.
Not too much help here.
back up some. Gently sit down for a minute.
There ain't gonna be no gently. It would have been kaboom if you would let me do it.
Oh man, don't touch it. Alright, I'll hold it up. So you don't have it very dry. Pull that one out.
You're going too far. Go the other way. There.
There.
I don't think that's gonna fit in there. What's that fit in there? There you go. Wait, maybe you don't think you can hold it in the right place.
Well, I'm not there to tell where the hole is, Lynn. That's not across there. Let me see.
Got it?
I don't know. You're taking your daily old time.
Go towards you.
Still got two other ones bolted up to it.
Well, I'm kind of waiting for you to work out those arms a little.
They get worked out enough.
Want me to tighten me?
Nah, I won't put some anti-seeds on. Just get them where they don't fall off. Do the same on the other side. This alternative.
Leave me alone.
It's got enough battle scars on it.
Go higher.
That's all I got.
Well, get some more.
That's all she's got.
Down. Too much. Up. Right there. Stay right there.
Down, up, side to side, where do you want them?
All above. Don't worry about that. Just tighten it up.
Stuff just stinks.
It's getting all over me now.
At least you didn't bring out the valve.
Kaboom.
Do all that insulation.
I'm good.
Uh-huh.
Have fun.
These always tend to rust up and break right off. And the nuts are tack welded to the back side of these hoods inside. I like to just take just a tad, which a tad will get everywhere. Put them on threads. Should have had the old lady do that, but I didn't want it getting all over her. Got a good gap, which we should, because I kind of marked this. I marked where it was before when I took it off, but make sure. Which it might rub the cow part because it ain't bolted all the way down. good up there. It's about right there. I think we're good on the gap. See, this is loose. Once this bolt down, I think we're good. I don't know why we ain't latching. So the hood's on. As you can see, a little bit of a ding right in there, but I don't know. Hood's on. The emblem's missing, but our gaps are pretty well good for an old truck. It's not rubbing, but here she got some more bullet holes right on top of the hood. No, we're not changing it. Staying right there. Of course, I didn't show the ones on the grill. But I think putting this is what my kids want to do. They're wanting this right here on the hood, which I kind of like the way it looks. Let me step back; it'll stay there. Don't look bad. I like it. That's pretty cool. I'll let them decide that. When they come back, I'll show them. If they want it on there, we'll put it on there. Tell you what, you don't get that often. All these old trucks, you gotta come out here and beat on them, get them open. rig something up just so we can step back so kids can see if they want to use it or not. Or break it off, can't use it at all, or something like that. Well, hell. I knew that was going to happen. Don't think the magnets will stick to that. Doubtful. If you're wondering, yes. I dropped that emblem nut right down inside the hood. If you're wondering, exactly what I did. Gasket on the bottom there. It's completely going too. I know, guys, I ain't getting a whole lot accomplished. Don't seem like it, but I just didn't want to. Okay. Because the gasket ain't through. A little loose. There's a gasket missing. But I don't know, I kind of like it. Especially when I buffer out a little bit. It's all pitted real bad, but buffer out, give it some shine to it. I mean, look at the track. What? You know, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna get the two Stooges.